Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy 300JayHawk, man. Back with another video, man. In today's video, man, we filming a POV for y'all, man. It's currently like 1 a.m. right now. As y'all can see, man, we is in Dallas, Texas right now. So, yeah, man, I ain't gonna do too much talking, man. We gonna get right in the video, man. Finna let y'all hear these downshifts. Look at that little mirror right there. You ain't worried about that, nigga. You can't keep up with me. But, yeah, man, I'm finna hop in the whip. Let y'all hear what this motherfucker sound like, man. I'll be back when I get in the whip. All right, man, as y'all can see, man, we in the whip right now, man. Go ahead and get on the road, man. Go ahead and throw it in sport mode, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta drop the S, put the mug in S, throw it in sport mode, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, we finna get in traffic for y'all, man. No cap, man. Finna get on the highway, man, but I'm gonna let y'all hear it, you know what I'm saying, downtown too, man. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, we is in first gear right now, so you know what I'm saying? As soon as I hit this turn, after this Honda, driving super crazy, bro, like, people be driving wild. Let y'all hear this motherfucker sound like, man. Y'all a quick little couple downshifts, man. I ain't gonna lie, the downshifts, oh my God. That must sounded crazy. Y'all little downshift, man. We ain't doing no bullshit in this video, man. Let y'all hear this motherfucker. Whole Dallas finna hear this shit. No cap. No doubt, man. Alright, man, we back with it, man. I'm trying to choose which way I want to go. I know I ain't busting this left. I don't even think I can go left. Nah, I couldn't even go left. So I'm probably I'm gonna go straight, fuck it. Gotta be a little careful. These roads be bumpy as fuck. Still finna get all this content though, man. I ain't gonna lie, it's a lot of Chrysler's in Dallas. I ain't gonna lie. I seen a Chrysler earlier. Had some 305s on the back. It was tough. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, this motherfucker bumpy. Oh my God, that must sound crazy. Down shit right quick. Ain't gonna lie, the city, man, it looks, man, city look good, man. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know if y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? We out here, man, downtown with his ugly ass dog. He ugly as fuck. Man, we out here though, man. Like, this shit is really inspirational. Why this dog keep looking at me, bro? This nigga ugly as shit. I gotta really get on the straightaway. These turns and curves and shit. Whole bunch of shit, man. And I gotta get on the tunnel for y'all, let y'all hear how it sound. It be echoing like a motherfucker, I ain't gonna lie. This motherfucker sound good. I ain't gonna lie, I really don't like my downshifts. Like, I mean, my downshifts cool, but like, I feel like I want them to be louder. I ain't gonna lie, so I'm probably gonna get the, the headers coming soon, man, you know what I'm saying? So, cause I want my downshifts to be loud. I don't think my downshifts really loud enough for real. I don't really fuck that shit, so that shit coming. I think it's a little tunnel right here, so I'm gonna try to hit it for y'all right here. Let y'all hear what this motherfucker sound like, man. I'm just gonna flow this bitch, fuck it. We ain't worried about 12, none of that shit. We ain't stopping. Yeah, hopefully, I bet. Oh my God, that bitch sound crazy. Shit for y'all. See, my downshifts really be ass though. I ain't gonna lie, I don't really fuck with my downshifts like that, bro. I ain't gonna lie, man. Y'all let me know down in the comments, man, what I can do to make my downshifts like. What do I need to do? to make my shit louder. Oh my God, it sound like a nigga. I sound like a nigga shoot. These sharp ass turns. Justin got wheel though. Justin got wheel. Justin got wheel, man. Man, I'm getting tired of waiting to derail. I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I get through this light, man. Why are these roads so bumpy? That's another thing. That's one thing I don't like about Dallas, though. The roads bumpy as hell. And we still finna get in traffic. Let's try to these downshifts, man. What the fuck these niggas got going? Yeah, y'all hear this motherfucker. I know. Yeah, I know. Y'all better hit y'all shit, cause I'm finna hit my shit. So if y'all in the way, y'all getting ran over. I don't get no fuck. Go, bitch. Come on, fuck nigga. Before I step on my shit. Let y'all niggas go ahead and get a couple steps up. When I hit this hoe, it's gonna be deadly. Gonna be deadly, man. Let me get up here, man. Y'all all in the way. No cap, man. Look at the city, bro. Like this, boy. This shit crazy. Like, this shit motivation for real, though. Like, hopefully, you know what I'm saying, nigga can get here soon, man. I'm trying to be one of these big ass apartments, man. Oh my God. Badass roads. Boy, these roads. Ooh. Not gonna count. Okay, I fuck with this road. This road's smooth, okay? But we gotta be in the fucking light. Alright, but then, yeah. Oh my God. Them pops sound so crazy. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. 12 out here, man, but they ain't stopping shit though, man. We still like gonna get y'all this content, man. Get y'all this content. I'm really just trying to find some good roads to go down, cause I ain't gonna lie, these roads kind of bumpy. I ain't gonna lie. I'm glad. I probably ain't even gonna lower my car. I ain't gonna lie. Probably not gonna do it. There's hoes out here though. I ain't gonna lie. It's all type of hoes out here and shit. Hold on, what the fuck? I ain't gonna lie, y'all, man. We back in traffic, man. It's a lot of shit going on in Dallas, man. I just witnessed a female. They was badass brawl. Going crazy. 12 over there, they deep. Oh my God. let y'all hear it under this tunnel. Oh God, that must sound vicious, nigga. Downshift. I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I get through this light, y'all. These roads is bumpy as fuck. Downshift. Shit's not loud enough, bro. I'm gonna get right though. I'm gonna get this all right, man. There's so much shit I want to do to this car. It's coming soon though. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be patient, man. Just keep working, man. Keep grinding. Keep working. Keep grinding, man. Get around y'all niggas, man. I don't know what shot you at playing. You playing that bullshit.